Welcome to Graskop Gorge, one of South Africa's most breathtaking adventure destinations, set along the iconic Panorama route. This natural wonder offers a mix of thrill, nature, and relaxation, making it a must-visit for explorers of all kinds. The Graskop Gorge lift, first of its kind in Africa, takes you 51 meters down into an ancient Afro-montane forest. Below, a 600-meter wooden trail winds through lush vegetation, passing cascading waterfalls, wooden bridges, and scenic viewpoints, where you can truly connect with nature. But Graskop Gorge is more than just a walk, it's an adventure hub. The suspension bridge offers jaw-dropping 360-degree views, standing 51 meters above the gorge floor. For the ultimate thrill, there's the Big Swing, one of the world's highest gorge swings, dropping you 70 meters in freefall. Definitely not for the faint-hearted. You can also try the treetop canopy tour, where you zip between elevated platforms for a unique perspective of the forest. And if you're looking for something more laid back, the interactive cultural center and local craft market showcase the rich heritage of the region. If you're craving an adrenaline rush, the Zipline sends you soaring 130 meters across the gorge, giving you an eagle's eye view of the dramatic cliffs and lush landscapes. Whether you're here for the thrill, the scenery, or the culture, Graskop Gorge is an unforgettable experience. Would you take on the big swing, or are you sticking to the scenic walk? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic adventures.